What's going on, y'all? JT here with a quick RC update. So HPI is coming back with a couple of things, and they've released or announced at least this Savage X Flux version 2. So there are a couple of things that's going to be different with this particular version compared to the previous version. With that, of course, it's going to be more than just the color and kind of the shape of the body. It does look to be a little shorter, but that could be because of the way the body looks. I have to look at some more dimensions on it. I'll leave a link down below in the description as well, so you guys can go over to the HPI site and check this out. I haven't seen any word on the price just yet, and some of the other things, they don't have that much information out about it, but there are a couple of things that's new on this. They say that it's got an LCG chassis design and layout. It's got a twin clamp motor mount, new battery boxes, which is going to be good. You can fit bigger batteries in there, because that was my problem with my old Savage. And it's got a center skid plate, and also it's just saying a center gearbox. I don't know if they've redesigned that and put actually a center diff in there and took a slipper clutch out or not. I'm not sure, but I wanted to at least let you guys know about this. Some of you guys are hardcore HPI fans, which is good, and let me know what you kind of think about this. I think that if they price it right, it's going to be good. There's a lot of competition out there, especially in the monster truck era, with the X Maxes and the Arma fifth scale cars and trucks and stuff like that. So anyway, guys, put your comments down below. Like I said, there's a link in the description. I'm interested in some of you guys' thoughts on this. Is this going to be a contender with today's market or what? I mean, it's also got 17mm hexes on it too, so that's another thing. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.